Hello. This message is for Igbo Cultural Association of Nova Scotia as you celebrate your IRI-JI, your New YAM Festival. It's wonderful to be sending you this message. I send you my very best wishes. I also want to say hello to Obinna Ngozi Adichie, who is our family friend, and we all grew up together in Nssuka. And speaking of Nssuka, I feel really grateful to have grown up there, the small university town in Igboland. I feel so grateful to have been raised by parents who valued education, valued modernity, and also valued our culture. I grew up speaking Igbo. I grew up never doubting my pride in my identity. And I think that part of the reason that I have had the good fortune of success is because I know where I come from. And I think that Igbo children being born today deserve that, especially Igbo children who are being born outside of Igboland, such as in Nova Scotia. I hope that your IRI-JI will be full of joy. I hope it will be full of meaning. I hope it will be not only a joyous celebration, but also I hope that it will act as a catalyst for you to continue to hold on to Igbo culture. Igbo amaka rinne, and we should not forget that. There's so much about our culture, our history, that not only should we be proud of, but we should use as a force that propels us to excellence. I also hope that your IRI-JI Festival, your New YAM Festival, will be full of very good food. And also that you actually have jiofo to eat. And so, again, I send you my very best wishes. May we all always remember to celebrate our culture, to remember where we come from. And I like to say to people that if I had the chance and the choice of reincarnation, I want to come back as an Igbo woman.